Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to everyone. This will be our last session of tutorial for topic 3, sequences and series. So for this session, I will focus on how to approximate values from the binomial expansion, and then we'll learn how to expand an expression where the power of n is a rational number. So for that, I will discuss number 14 and number 16a. Okay, now let's start for the first one. So number 14, we use the expansion x plus y to the power of 4 to evaluate 1.03 to the power of 4. Correct to 4 decimal places. So first of all, we have to expand the expression. So you have x plus y to the power of 4. So when you expand this, then you'll get 4, 0, and then x to the power of 4, x to the power of 4, and then y to the power of 0, and then 4, 1, and then x to the power of 3, y to the power of 1. The power of x is decreasing while the power of y is increasing. So 4, 2, x to the power of 2, and then y to the power of 2, and then we have plus 4, 3. So x to the power of 1, y to the power of 3, and the last term will be 4, 4, and then x to the power of 0, y to the power of 4. Now, from here we'll get x to the power of 4, and then here will be 4, so you have 4 x to the power of 3, and then y, and here will be 6, so you have 6x squared, y squared, and then plus 4c3 is 4, 4x y to the power of 3, and the last one will be y to the power of 4. Okay, so we have done with the expansion. So now we want to evaluate this. Okay, so 1.03 to the power of 4. You can write this as 1 plus 0.03 to the power of 4. So when you compare this and x plus y, then you can see that x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0.03. So what you do is you just substitute in x and y values in the expansion. So therefore you have x is 1 to the power of 4, plus 4, 1 to the power of 3, and I have 0.03, and then plus 6, 1 to the power of 2, and then 0.03 to the power of 2, plus 4, 1 times 0.03 to the power of 3, and then final term is 0.03 to the power of 4. So now you can calculate by using your calculator, then you'll get the answer is 1.1255. So this is correct to 4 decimal places. Okay, so this is 4 decimal places. So this is the answer. So you can have a try on number 15. So where you have to expand this expression for the first three terms, and then from that you find the values of the approximation values of cube root of 1 to 6. Now let's continue with the expansion of an expression where the power is a rational number. So in this case, we have 1 minus 3x to the power of 1 over 3. So you are asked to find the first four terms in this expansion, and then state the values of x for which the expansion is valid. So for this kind of expression, so we should start with 1. Okay, so this is 1. So you should start with 1 and then plus 1 over 3 is the power, and then you have negative 3x to the power of 1. And then you have 1 over 3 multiplied by 1 over 3 minus 1, and then divide by 2 factorial, and then you have negative 3x to the power of 2. So you have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we need another one, another term. So you have 1 over 3, and then 1 over 3 minus 1, 1 over 3 minus 2 over 3 factorial, and then here we have 3x, negative 3x to the power of 3. Okay, so now we have already 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Okay, now we have to simplify this. This is okay. So how to simplify this? Okay, so from here you will get 1 for the first term, and then here will give you negative x for the second term, and then for this one will give you plus 1 over 3. So 1 over 3 minus 1 is negative 2 over 3, and then this 2 factorial you can write as 1 over 2, and then negative 3 squared will give you 9x squared. And then you have 1 over 3, negative 2 over 3, and then 1 over 3 minus 2, so will give you negative 5 over 3. And then this 3 factorial you can write as 1 over 6, and then negative 3 to the power of 3, negative 27 x to the power of 3. So now from this you will get equal to 1 minus x. These 2 and 2 can be cancelled off, 3 and 3 can be cancelled off by 9. Then you have negative x squared. And then for this one will be, this one will be negative. Okay, and then plus, okay, look at here. So you have 27 here. So 3, 27 can be cancelled off by this. Then you have this 2, you can cancel off by 3 by this, and then you have negative, positive, negative, you will get negative here, and then you have negative 5 over 3. So 5 over 3, and then x to the power of 3. Okay, so this is the expansion for the first four expansion for 1 minus 3x to the power of 1 over 3. So next you want to find the expansion, the range for the expansion valid. So from this, so expansion is valid for x in between negative 1 over 3 to 1 over 3. So where you get this one? So where you get this? Okay, it's come from the expression So you have 1 minus 3x to the power of 1 over 3. So meaning that this modulus negative 3x should be less than 1. So from here, you will get modulus x. Modulus x is less than 1 over 3, all divided by 3. So next, you can expand this as negative 1 over 3 to 1 over 3. So this is how we get this one. So next, you can try on your own for number 16b, 16c, and 16d, and number 17 as well. So I think that's the end of our topic 3. So we'll continue with topic 4 in the next session. Thank you.